Hello? Hello? Is anyone there? Talk to me nice. Huh? Who is this? Hello? You say you outside? Okay, I'm coming. You say you outside? You outside? You want me open the gate? Okay. All right. iPhone Pro Max come through. Welcome back, Goddess Dolls. So today I'm back with another video. I was actually saying that I was not going to do Vlogmas, but I decided to just give it a try, see how that goes. But today, just going to jump straight into it. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my iPhone 12 Pro Max 512 gigabyte. So new phone, who this? I actually was going to open it and I said, you know what, let me just do an unboxing. So this is the box here. This is my number. So yeah, before I actually do the unboxing, I wanted to also just point out that I actually still have my older iPhones, and I also just wanted to do a comparison between the other iPhones. So right here, this is the 5, I think this is the 5S or the 5. Yeah, so this is the 5, and then this is the 6, and then this is also the X. Now currently right now, as y'all may know, I'm currently trying to get my camera together, so I'm not filming on my camera. I'm currently filming on 11 Pro. So yeah, so I'm just gonna be going down the line of the differences that I noticed between the devices. Now they said that they wasn't gonna give you the headphones and the wall plug or the adapter, just the actual cable, the power cable, because they was trying to cut down costs. I'm not sure how much more the adapter could cost. I don't know, some headphones they could have thrown in for that price. It shouldn't be too much for Apple to just put some AirPod Pros in there, especially if you gain a Pro, you know. But yeah, I guess that's just about it. I guess these are stickers. So that's the only thing that it comes with, is the actual cable and phone. Just the cable on the phone. Yeah, so this is the phone. I'm not gonna actually I don't want to actually activate it just as yet, because like I said, I want to get a case, and if my number is transferred, I'm gonna have to start using it. But I need to definitely order a case tonight on Amazon so I can start using it ASAP. But let me actually just go down the line since I have these other phones, and why not run up the minutes, you know? So this is the 5, like I said, and look at the comparison. Like the one camera on the back, we have one camera on the back and 3 on the 12. I'm not even sure if this actually still boots on. Let me see if I could charge it. Let me see if I could charge it. My daughter is up, so she gonna be in this video. This is the 6, one camera as well. So I feel like with the 6, all hair and hair takes away from the actual screen, the extra screen that you should have. Sorry, no corona, but yeah, what I say? Sorry, no corona. But I feel like hair takes away from the actual screen that you have on this, so the screen actually looks bigger, even though this is more wider. The 6 may look just a little bit more bigger, but you actually get more screen on this one, because if you notice, the screen actually stops here, but here it goes all the way up. So that's something that's very good. They actually started that on the X. They actually started that on the X by giving more screen, by having it go all the way up. I guess you could call it expanding the screen. But yeah, this is the X. I didn't get the XS Max, so this is just the baby X, and the case makes it look a little bit bigger than it actually is, but I can't get this case off for nothing, so I'm gonna try to take the case off. I don't even know how you pop this case off. I don't even know how you pop this case off. I don't even know how you pop this case off, but the X is definitely more smaller than the X is definitely more smaller than it appears to look. But I wish I could have used my 11 to actually show you like the closer comparisons of it. But yeah, this is just a simple unboxing video of my iPhone 12 Pro Max 512 gigabyte period. So I have a lot of space to edit, film if I need to on this device. Yeah, so I have a lot of space. Like I said, it's very cute, very sleek, gold all around. Yes, yes, speak to me, selfies on flick. So I'm going to be doing what's in my iPhone. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing what's in my iPhone, just to show y'all, you know, the vibes, just to show y'all the vibes of what I got going on. All right, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so you could be alerted every time I drop a video. Bye guys.